So once again, I put my hand about in the right position. I actually like having a little bit of the tin foil sticking out when I do these. And I'll put my one finger there and the one finger underneath, and then I'll start attaching this. So with my ears, I do them a triangle and I do them a little bit at an angle. I might actually cut these a little bit, just so they're easier to apply. And now I'm gonna follow where my lines have been and line up my ear. So you're gonna wanna make sure that it's tipped a little bit because their ears go up, and you want the bulk of the ear to be where an ear would line up on the doll. And you can go straight onto polymer. I've had no issues with it bonding. If you were adding it, I have added it to baked polymer, make sure to use the liquid clay.
Okay.
That is definitely important. Liquid clay is a dream with this stuff. And that's the same with polymer anyway. Never add polymer to baked clay, never add raw polymer to baked clay without using the liquid clay, because it creates an actual bond rather than just adhering it. It creates a bond between the two different clays on a, I want to say molecular level, but I could be wrong. Don't quote me on that. Yep, so we're just going around the whole ear and just making sure that it's attached really well before we add any details. So with this tool, I'm sticking it inside the ear and then I'm pushing inside and I'm supporting it with my finger on the outside. So that way I can get a nice curve inside the ear. And you can see it right there.
Nice.
So I do it on both sides just because I like the look of it. So I do my ears a little bit thicker just because I like the look of it. If I were going to fur this ear, I would make it thinner because the fur will add bulk.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.